right? We are now on question number 2. It reads, if x the angle, right, is small and measured in radians, show that for sine open bracket x plus pi over 6 minus 8 cos open bracket x minus pi over 6 gives you this result, right? So the critical word here is x is small, right? When x is small, sine x is approximately equal to x, right? Tan x is approximately equal to x. Cos x is approximately equal to 1 minus half x squared. So on sine x, we are going to replace with x. If we have tan x, you replace tan x with x. For cos x, you replace with 1 minus half x squared. So before we substitute, we need to expand the brackets using the compound angle formulas. So the compound angle for sine, if you have a positive sign in between, let's say you want to expand this bracket, you are going to say sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So this is the compound angle for sine. I hope you are following. Then if you have cos, like the second bracket, we have cos and the negative sign in between. So you are going to apply cos A minus B, right? So for cos, you put the cos on the same side. You have cos A and cos B placed on the left side first. Then the difference between the expansion of sine and the expansion of cos is, for cos there is a sign change. If you have minus, the negative becomes plus. But you can notice that on sine, plus remains plus. Then on the right side, you are going to put sine A and sine B. I hope you are noticing the difference. So as for sine, there is a mixture of sine and cos and sine on both sides. But for cos, you put cos on the left side and sine on the right side. Then you apply a sign change, right? So here, I'm going to write 4 as given by the question. Then I'm going to put a big bracket so that I carry out the expansion of sine x plus pi over 6 using this compound formula. So in this case, x is representing our A, pi over 6 is representing our B. So we are going to get sine x, right, cos pi over 6 plus cos x, right? Then you write sine pi over 6, then you close your bracket. So this is the left side. Then you are going to put minus 8. You put another big bracket so that you carry out the expansion for cos. So for cos, you are going to write cos x first. Then you write cos pi over 6. Then you apply the sign change. This negative sign becomes plus. So you put plus here. Then you write sine x, sine pi over 6, something like this. I hope you are following. So we are going to punch sine cos pi over 6 in our calculator, right? But on sine x here, I'm going to put x. Remember, when x is small, sine x is replaced by x. So let me put x here. Then I'm going to put an open bracket so that I punch the result of cos pi over 6, where your calculator must be in radians. Right, so cos open bracket pi over 6, you get root 3 over 2. So I'm going to write root 3 over 2 here. Then you put plus. On cos, I'm going to put 1 minus half x squared. Then I'm going to punch sine. open bracket, pi divided by 6, you get half. Then you close your bracket. So I'm going to do the same on the right side. On cos x, you are going to put 1 minus half x squared. Then cos pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. So I write root 3 over 2 here. Plus, on sine x, we are going to put x. Then open bracket, sine pi over 6 is half. Then you close your big bracket. I hope you are following class. Right. So let us expand this bracket, right? 4 is going to multiply root 3 over 2 x. Then you get 2x root 3. Since 2 into 4, you get 2. I hope you are following. Then 4 is going to start by multiplying this half here. You get 2. So the 2 is going to multiply both 1 and minus half x squared. So 2 times 1, you get 2. Then 2 times minus half x squared, you get minus x squared. Since the 2's, they cancel off each other. Let us move on to the next bracket. Minus 8 is going to start by multiplying root 3 over 2. You get minus 4 root 3. So minus 4 root 3 times 1, you get minus 4 root 3. I hope you are following. Then minus 4 root 3 times half times minus half, you get plus 2 root 3. Then you put x squared. I hope you are following. So we are done with this first bracket. Here I'm now multiplying minus 8 with half x. You get minus 4x. Right. So from the show that, it means I'm going to collect like terms starting with x squared. So I'm going to write this 2 root 3 x squared first as my first term, with its like term, which is minus x squared. Then followed by 2x root 3, this term, with its like term, which is minus 4x. Then you write plus 2 here, followed by its like term, minus 4 root 3. Then you factorize. So you write 2 root 3 minus 1 x squared. You are saying x squared into this, you get this. X squared into minus x, you get minus 1. Plus, you put another bracket, 2 root 3 minus 4. Then you put x. Since you are saying x into 2, x root 3, you get 2 root 3. And x into minus 4, x, you get minus 4. Then you leave this constant term as it is. Then you get yourself 5 marks. So this is how you are supposed to do it.